Felt like you just want to be able to use arbitrage trading and have a trustworthy, regulated platform all in one place, powered by AI? In this day and age in 2026, well, look no further, because in today's video, we're going to talk about one. When it comes to financial products and services, whether it's crypto or traditional finance, you should always do your own research before investing, because these videos are for entertainment purposes only and should never be financial advice. Let's get into it. All right, folks. So we're here on AxisTrade.ai, and it's a really sleek looking website. I like the design. These exchanges that now have AI integrations are simply going to be way ahead of the game compared to a lot of their competitors. So in a nutshell, this is a great place to trade. You've got the different sections up at the top. We're on the home section right now. We can also scroll over to the About Us section. So there are a lot of reasons why you might want to consider using AxisTrade, and it's pretty simple, right? They currently have a team of more than 140 professionals with many years of experience in the financial industry. That's exactly what you want. Their extensive experience, combined with support for over 30 languages, makes AxisTrade the broker of choice for traders of all levels anywhere. But why choose them, though? I mean, AxisTrade promotes sustainable workforce development through a wide range of cultures and approaches your needs with openness to cultural, national, ethnic, and religious diversity. There are plenty of reasons to actually go ahead and choose them. Whether it's their integrity, their innovation, or their empowerment. The exchange arbitrage is also a huge feature that really attracted me to AxisTrade. So exchange arbitrage without the withdrawal. So with exchange arbitrage, basically you can make simultaneous trades between exchanges without having to move funds from one exchange to another. So this is absolutely huge. You can actually connect two exchanges that have funds on them and enable exchange arbitrage in your index settings. Once that's all set up, you can basically search for arbitrage opportunities. The way arbitrage works is you might have to be logged into 3 or 4 different exchanges, all open at the same time. It gets confusing, it gets expensive. You don't have to do that with AxisTrade. It's all set up in one place here with AxisTrade. So that's a huge, huge benefit to actually using them. On top of that, you've got your market arbitrage, which has also been updated, as well as arbitrage between multiple exchanges in pairs. Exchange arbitrage itself is a huge positive feature. And no matter what level of trader you are, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, advanced, or depending on how much money you're able to put in and trade with, they have different account types that are actually covered. For example, if you're just going with a standard account, your leverage is 1 to 10. They're not going to give you 20 times leverage on a standard account, which I think is reasonable, okay? You've got the different types there as well. So for example, on the standard and bronze accounts, you don't have access to live events. If you want to get that, you'll need to go for at least a silver account. So that's going to give you the green check mark for access to live events. So for example, if you're an experienced trader and you want that 200 times leverage, then you'll need to go with the premium account. And while trading is available starting from deposits of $250 for the standard account, they recommend beginning with a bronze account. Standard accounts will receive an account manager for a trial period of 2 weeks. Get started with the bronze account using the link below, and you'll get those 2 weeks with an account manager. And the fact that the contact us section is again right here at the top, really easy to find. You've got the call center, you've got the email address, physical address in London, Canary Wharf, and you've got all the information you can fill out here with your requests. That leads us to ask the question, can a brand new trader like yourself navigate this platform easily? Well, that's just my opinion. I don't think it could be any easier. You got everything there. Home, About Us, the arbitrage, what they do specifically, the account types, and the Contact Us section. So it's extremely easy to navigate and understand. And I think there are a lot of reasons why traders at all levels might consider using AxisTrade. Again, the big one is the exchange arbitrage, the simple fact that it's all on one platform. They've also got the best features. So whether it's crypto, Forex, different performance tools you can use, indices, commodities, or shares, you've got it all here with AxisTrade. So it really is kind of like an all-inclusive platform for all traders, no matter what level you're at, even if you're just starting out. And if you are just beginning, again, you've got the account types. So even if you're starting out with that bronze account, you get a huge 2-week trial period, but you're also going to get an account manager who will help guide you and educate you on where to go next. Because let's face it, finance, trading, crypto, whatever it is, as a beginner is really complicated. So you're going to need some education and support to actually get started. And I think AxisTrade is a good place to provide that for you. No matter what level the trader is at, there's something there for everyone. And just to go back to the account types for a moment, again, they really do suit whatever kind of trader you are. If you're a complete beginner with no experience at all and you're a bit nervous about getting started, come and get involved with the standard account. It's real easy to do. If you're a bit more advanced, then start looking at the bronze and silver accounts because you'll be getting that support from the account manager. Obviously, if you're really experienced, you can get up to that 100, 150, even 200 times leverage right here. And also, these are really important too, these actual commission discounts. So 25% for gold, 35% for platinum, and 50% for premium in terms of the actual trading commissions. That's absolutely huge as well. Because if you need customer support, you're getting a green check mark for customer support no matter which account you choose. I can't stress enough how important it is to have multi-asset access all in one platform. Like we said, Forex, performance tools there, crypto, CFDs, commodities, indices, all right? The CFDs themselves and the shares. So having all of that in one place to switch between is extremely important. But when it comes to the regulatory framework, it's really important to use a broker that actually follows those regulations. And again, there's the contact us section, so make sure you do your research on AxisTrade, okay? Don't just jump in blindly, and you should be doing that with any platform. You can go in and ask them about their regulatory framework or any other questions you have. They're just a button away. So the security of your investments and the funds you leave on a platform is extremely important too. After doing your own research, AxisTrade is a platform you might want to consider. Okay, there are a lot of exchanges. You need to be careful where you leave your funds on those exchanges, and they might not necessarily be safe. They could be vulnerable to hacking or all sorts of other issues, but you can rest assured that AxisTrade is making every effort to keep your funds safe through the security framework they've put in place. They have their own security protocols and data protection measures. Okay, so protecting your own personal information, that's all taken care of. They do have customer support available Monday through Friday, and that's really important because, it's not just some AI support. As a new trader, you want to feel like if you have any issues, questions, or concerns, you're being heard and you actually have the ability to reach out. I really like that 2-week availability on the bronze tier, where you get an actual agent, almost like an account manager, who can really help you. I think that's really, really effective as well. Even if you're on the basic standard account, you can still reach out and actually get some support when you need it. On Trustpilot, you can see AxisTrade has a good rating of 4.6 out of 41 reviews. There are some really good 5-star reviews that we can actually look at, and I would encourage you to go over to Trustpilot. I'll put all the links in the description of this video and actually read through a lot of the real reviews from verified people who have actually used the service. So it's all here for you to read through. It's pretty cool to see on Yahoo Finance that there's some strong media coverage here as well. This is an article from June 4th. It's a 2-minute read from 2026 about how AxisTrade achieved remarkable user growth milestones. So again, I'm not going to monologue and read through the entire article, but basically you can actually go through here and read this as well, covering its expanding global presence, user engagement and retention, the evolution of the platform regarding arbitrage, and how it stands out and differentiates itself, and its commitment to innovation too. All of this will be in the description, and I highly encourage you to read through it as well. Similarly, we also have one from Business Insider that looks into AxisTrade's market expansion and user acquisition trajectory. You can see here another great article coming out of London, United Kingdom. And here's another article from Benzinga, dated June 8th, 2026, from Finance Wire, discussing the advanced account protection features that have been introduced and the investment in next-generation cybersecurity infrastructure. So we did talk about that in terms of security and just how important it is for a platform that's involved in finance in 2026, especially with AI. It can be both a strength and a weakness. The strengths include compliance and data protection standards, a commitment to user trust and platform integrity, a plan for future security developments, and all this information and more about AxisTrade, all coming from these third-party reviewers. All in all, the fact that AxisTrade has a lot of articles written about it, a lot of third-party reviews, you can see that they have a really strong, unique selling point when it comes to arbitrage, the different account types, and everything else, including the easy-to-use interface and all those features. I think it's a really cool platform to potentially get started with, no matter what level of trading you're at. And I've really enjoyed going through and checking out the actual exchange in today's video. We hope you enjoyed today's video about AxisTrade. If you want to sign up, the link will be right at the top of the video description. Go ahead and click on that now. And also, make sure you always do your own research before investing. And if you enjoyed today's video, please smash the like button, subscribe for more, and comment below what you think about AxisTrade and which tier you might be signing up for. And hit that notification bell too, because you don't want to miss out on these important kinds of videos. So wherever you're watching from, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.